Hello friends, today that is on September 27, 2022. So I have taken few trades. Let's see how the trades went and let's see the trade which I have taken from banking sector. So before speaking about the stock, let's see how the sector has performed. Sector, so it started here, it was completely in downtrend. So retraced and again came down. So it means sector was in downtrend, right? So let's see how our trade went. So I have taken a trade in Bandhan Bank. So if we see in 5 minutes time frame, see after formation of this bearish candle, so I thought of taking an entry, and my entry price was at 262.50. So I think so that is at 11:50 candle trade got executed. Entry price was at 262.50 and my stop loss was at 263.50. You can see it hit my stop loss. So as market was in downwards, so I thought of going for shorting, and parallelly I noticed this candle, and here you can see a red candle formation, right? So putting this in mind, so I shorted, and here you can see it hit my stop loss, and it went sideways. And other two stocks I have traded from a metal sector. Let's see how those went. Sector, if we speak about the sector was in sideways. It was in downtrend and then converted into sideways. Okay, yeah. Now I have taken a trade in Hindalco. Hindalco, yeah. So after the formation of these two bearish candles, so that is after a formation of 12:10 and 12:15 candles. So I thought of going for shorting, and my entry price was at 370.5. So in this candle, so in the same candle, it hit my stop loss also. So I have placed my stop loss at 372.50. Sorry, 372, and the entry was at 370.50, and entry and stop loss got triggered in the same candle. So here you can see it was acting like a resistance, and because of which after formation of this bearish candle, and this was also seeming like bearish candle for me, so putting this in mind I shorted. Yeah, and let's see the second stock. So here after formation of this swing, you can notice this, right? So after formation of this swing, so I thought of going for uh, long position. So if you see in a 15 minutes time frame also, it has broken this high of this candle. Here it did not break. Here it did not break this level, and it also broke this high, right? Right. So yeah, this is a bullish candle, and the next one is also bullish candle, right? So putting that in mind, so I went onto the long position. But if you notice this stock clearly, candles were forming uh, bullish, and it did not break higher high, it just broke lower high. So I haven't noticed that much. So after uh, that this huge candle, so after formation of this huge candle, so I thought of going for a long position, and especially after forming this candle and this candle, so I thought of going for uh, long position. So I have placed my entry at 614.50. So I waited for some retracement to happen, and in this candle, sorry, I think in this candle only it got uh, triggered. My entry got triggered in this candle, so that is at 641.50, and I have placed my stop loss at 639. Okay, and in 125 candle it got triggered, right? My entry got triggered, right? So after that it was mostly forming bearish candles. So this 130 was a bearish candle, and 145 was also bearish candle, right? So after looking these candles, so I thought it would definitely hit my stop loss, so because of which I exited in between. And the market was also not upwards, it was only in sideways. So if you observe the market, so it was in sideways, right? So because of which, so I have exited in between, and I have exited at 640. So yeah friends, so that is all for today. See you in the next video.